Write a description for a video about just one solution that solves all Wi-Fi problems, such as connection failure, weak internet, or a magic solution for all Wi-Fi problems. Do you suffer from failed to connect to the Wi-Fi network? Poor internet in your home? Frequent disconnections? Slow loading pages and downloading files? No need to worry anymore. In this video, we will reveal to you just one magic solution that solves all your Wi-Fi problems. This solution is simple and easy to apply, and does not require any technical expertise. All you have to do is watch this video until the end. Follow the simple steps that we will explain. Once you apply this solution, you will be able to connect to the Wi-Fi network easily. Enjoy strong and stable internet speed. Eliminate disconnection problems. Loading pages and downloading files very quickly. Don't miss the opportunity to watch this video and solve all your Wi-Fi problems once and for all. Let us begin the explanation. Don't worry, you won't lose any data because the solution is simply to reset the Wi-Fi settings to the default settings, and thus, God willing, the problem will be solved. But there is a small note, which is to reset the Wi-Fi settings to the default settings. You will be logged out of the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to, and when you enter it, you will be asked for the password. Thank you. I hope your problem is solved. If you have any questions or inquiries, write them in the comments and I will answer them.